After Spider-Man and Deadpool got stuck underground, Spider-Man got tired of Deadpool always talking to himself. He finally called him out, saying it made him look crazy and pushed their friendship further apart. When Spider-Man asked Deadpool who he was always talking to, Deadpool avoided the question and said he didn't even know who Spider-Man really was since he always wore a mask. Wanting to prove he was being honest, Spider-Man took off his mask to show Deadpool his identity, but Deadpool was shocked. Spider-Man had no face. Marvel was stopping him from seeing who Spider-Man really was. Deadpool got frustrated, saying their friendship would never work no matter how hard they tried. When Peter tried to say his real name, Marvel censored it. And that's when Deadpool finally broke down, realizing Marvel would never let them be real friends.